Alright, so now the powder is within the upper and lower plunger. So then I can go into this Arduino code and tell it what force I want that to stop at. So now this motor just slowly moves this plunger up and down rather than doing it manually. And then as it does that, it slowly lowers that piston. And once it releases the pressure, it continues to take measurements. Then you can see it as it evolves. You can see how the stress changes. And then you can see how the shape changes as well. So then that would be the final. But right now, all the parameters we're using in here are just an estimate, so that's why we're using this to get a little more accurate depiction of what it will be like.